Introduce Mikrotik Crs354 48G 4S+2Q+Rm. If you are looking for a single switch that will put your network setup ahead of the curve without costing a fortune, look no further. The new Crs354 48G 4S+2Q+Rm is an effective and adaptable rack mount solution for managing networks in demanding and busy environments. With this product, we aim to set a new price-performance bar, get more features while spending way less. This powerful switch has 48 by 1G RJ45 ports and 4 by 10 GSFP plus ports. There are also 2 by 40G QSFP plus ports for extremely fast fiber connections or linking with other 40 gigabits per second devices. The total non-blocking throughput is 168 gigabits per second. Switching capacity is 336 gigabits per second, and the forwarding rate reaches 235 Mpps. Thanks for watching.